Hello, this is the first part on how to make a Mac Master game in Scratch. This is the square root of 1 to 3. It's going to take a little time. Look. Now let's start. Over here, go to Events and drag when flag clicked, and then go to Loops and go to front layer. And then go to Motion and go to X and Y. Then we need broadcaster. First broadcast is SQRT square root. Now over here when I receive a square root, we need two variables and number and a square root. Set both of them square and number to 0. Then drag a forever loop. Drag a forever loop and then go to sensory arts. Instead of what is your name, write enter a number. Then go to loops and say triple dot for 2 seconds. Then go to variables, set number to the answer and set SQ to the number with an operator of square. Now go back to the loops area and then drag the same block again and then go to operators, bring the join block over here right wait a second. Result is give a gap here and over here give the square root. Now let's try it. It's asking for a number. Let us give a whole number that has a square root, that is 16. 16 square root is 4. Let's see that it come. Yes. Another, let's see, 4. 4 will come 2. Yes. It works. Now the next we want to add is addition. Add. Right there. Over here. And go to over here. When I receive add. Oops. Add. Then go to variables. Make two new variables. add. Over here. Number plus 2. All 4 of them should be for all sprites. Now over here, let us copy this. Over here, set add to 0 number as well as number 2. And then again duplicate this. take out this much, not this much. Twice. Now take out this and duplicate this. Now right over here 2, and then this answer will be number 2. So now it's 2 words. So now over here set add to not the square root of 1, the addition of number in number 2, and over here set add to this over here. Now it should work. Let us do 12 plus 12 equals to 24. Let's see, does it come? Yes, it comes. Let's try a different number. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. Yes, 10 comes. Okay, now the last thing we want to add in the first part is subtraction. Make a new broadcast called SUT. Oops, wrong one. SUB, sub. Now duplicate the add block and make another variable called SUB, sub. For all sprites, over here set sub to 0, and then yes, go, and only difference is that it will be minus. Over here and both of them should be sub. Now it should work. Again click the flag click. Is it not coming? Why is it not coming? Oh, because this is not as. Next will 12 minus 12 equals to 0. Let's see. Yes, it comes. Now let's do another 12 minus 10 equals to 2. Will come? Yes. This is the first part. Next part we will do multiplication and division and make some options to choose different way. Thank you.